Hello everyone, my name is Justus Izuchukwu Onuh. In the world of tech and e-commerce, building an AI that makes a simple guess is easy, but building an AI that a business can actually trust is very challenging. Assuming an online computer says the AI tells the sales manager to send a special discount code to 1,000 specific users, but the AI cannot explain why. Are these users actually ready to buy a product worth $2,000, or are they just window shopping? If the AI is a black box, meaning we cannot see the logic behind its choices, the business risks wasting a lot of money and the team might lose trust in the system. As we analyze our feedbacks and peer reviews, we have learned that the lack of transparency is actually why many machine learning projects fail in the real world. So I welcome you to this my demo, which I entitled Group 22 is e-commerce purchase prediction architecture. This is just a full stack e-commerce purchase prediction and is powered by decision tree classifier. So instead of just presenting a basic hidden algorithm, we engineered this Next.js application to demonstrate a complete transparent machine learning lifecycle, also known as ML OPs. Today, we will show you how we solve the black box problem using Explainable AI, how we collected continuous feedback from real shoppers to make the model smarter, and also how we monitor data shift like sudden trend in Apple products to keep our system accurate over the time. In this slide, we can see the customer storefront. Here, a shopper is browsing this item, but our system over here recommended or suggested a Pro Precision mouse to add to their cart. Now, if you look at common industry mistakes and something that was heavily emphasized in our peer reviews, most platforms stop right here. They just throw a recommended tag on the item and hope the user clicks it. That is the classic black box. The user doesn't know why they are seeing it, and the business cannot verify the logic. So to solve this, we engineered this dark explainable AI insight. So instead of generic guess, the system is fully transparent. It tells the user exactly why this recommendation was made. As you can see, it stated, our decision tree predicts a 94% probability. You are building a gaming setup based on your multiple views event in the high-end GPU price category. So by this, the system has shown the reason for recommending this particular product. But what if AI is wrong? It's possible AI could be wrong. So another major flaw identified in reviews and feedback was lack of a feedback mechanism. An AI cannot improve if it doesn't learn from its own mistake. So to address this, we built a direct human in the loop feature at the bottom here. This yes or no. These are the feedback we send to AI. Is this recommendation accurate? With simple thumbs up and thumbs down buttons. When a customer interacts with this, they give feedback immediately, routed back to our backend MLOP database. This creates a continuous learning loop, ensuring our decision tree gets a smarter and more accurate with every single user session. And this is one of the ways we address the feedback, the reviews. Let us take a look at these admin operations and business value. Now, let's step behind the scenes and look at the sales manager operations dashboard. A massive takeaway from our feedback, specifically when looking at some platform like bank retentions, was the critical need to actionable recommendations. It is not enough for an AI to build a spit out raw numbers for a dashboard just to be basic database viewer. The business stakeholder needs the AI to tell them exactly what to do next. Okay, let's take a look at a very practical e-commerce problem. Marketing budgets or projects as the case may be. Most online stores just blast a 10% discount code to every single visitor on the site. But mathematically, that is a huge waste of money. Why give a discount to a customer who is already 90% guaranteed to buy that high-end laptop? So to solve this, we focus purely on business impact. So here you can see that this button here, you can see that the AI budget allocator action, this button. So because our decision tree calculates a precise purchase probability, the system automatically filters out the guaranteed buyers and the guaranteed non-buyers. So it specifically identifies the fence sitters. So here in this case we have about 150 users who are on the fence. So the purchase probability 40 to 60%. So if you are spending marketing budgets on guaranteed buyers, is a waste of money. So we have to target the specific segment in order to maximize the ROI. So the sales manager doesn't need to understand the complex math or logic behind the decision tree. They just see a clear, actionable business decision. With one click, they can deploy a targeted 10% discount only to the specific segment. So this pushes the undecided buyers over the edge to complete their checkout, maximizing our conversion rate while completely protecting our profit margin on the rest of the site. So this is how we successfully translate raw machine learning data into direct measurable business strategy. And with this, we were able to address the issue that was identified by the reviewer. This slide is the stakeholders and the conclusion slide. To wrap things up, we have to look at the system architecture and the value delivery. So, as we noted in our review, that the massive point of failure for many AI projects is that they are built in a vacuum. So a model is only valuable if it can serve the need of the people using it. So to ensure this, to survive in real business environment, we have separated our architecture into three distinct roles, which you can see on the screen. This architecture provides a transparent and effective machine learning system that businesses can actually trust. Thank you for watching.